I'm putting together a series of video walkthroughs of how to mine free government databases to find the information you need to grow your business, and my next videos will walk you through step by step. But to get started today, I want to show you how much information you can find. So check this out. I'm on the FPDS website and I'm doing a search for recent janitorial contracts in Washington, and let's see the information that's available about this one particular contract. Here at the top, we see the names and email addresses of the contracting officials, and we see the contract amount is $23,982, and the contract is issued by the Farm Service Agency. The contract is awarded to this person, and here's his information. And we see that this is a sole proprietorship, and he does not have any special certifications. He's not 8A, HubZone, or anything like that. And here, we see a description of the work. We see that he's getting paid $680 per month to provide janitorial services. And here, look at this. Number of offers received is 1. He was the only bidder. There's an amazing amount of free information available, and my next video will walk you through step by step how to get information from FPDS. Let me know in the comments if there's something you want me to show you how to find. Thanks for watching. See you next time.